Shop. This morning we're quickly re-rounding out an Enduro. This is the second tire this customer has put on the board, and it's still got a little bit of a lump, so instead of changing this out, we're just going to do a quick modification and see if we can get this thing to be a bit more round. Today we are using the saw file, so this is a bunch of hacksaw blades that have been effectively expanded out. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold the sensor on, place this on here for bracing, and then just basically eat off the high areas of the tire. So getting it started, let's go. Real quickly, come on over here very close. I want to show you something. If you take and you can see the tire here where we're removing material, you can see it's got this little bit of a chunky look. As we rotate the tire around, you will see that there are areas like this right here where there's been no material removed. So material's being removed, no material being removed. We're just taking off the high spots on the tire, and this will get it back to a nice rounded shape. Anyways, so if you have an issue with your tire and you don't want to replace it, don't want to put it, into the garbage, this is a great way to do it.